Divas. Happy Advent, day number 3. Glad to have you with me as we open these festive Advent calendars. Thank you for joining me every day this month for a little bit of Christmas fun. I love Advent calendars. I love the surprise and the joy. It's like a childlike joy every time. All right, let's see what's in our paper crafting one for today. The number 3 should be, here it is. Number 3 is here. Oh, what is that? I'm gonna put it around backwards. I love these little drawers. There's hard cardboard in between them too, so the drawers will stay in place. Oh, stickers! I love stickers. You know I love stickers. You can check on YouTube and see all the sticker videos that I have. A lot of them from different places. All right, let me show you the stickers in here. They're cute. They kind of remind me of the memory cards from 2 days ago. Okay, well, you know, some of them are upside down, some of them are right side up, aren't they? Nice. These would be nice seals for your cards. It is only December day 3. If you are doing Christmas cards or postcards this year, these would be pretty. On the, oh, look at that, Christmas pud. All right. There are some that are duplicates and some that are brand new. Here we go. They're beautiful. This is indicative of the artwork in her magazine. Now, Daphne's Diary magazine is it quarterly or bi-monthly? I forget, but probably every 2 months, I think. And it's got the most beautiful artwork in it, and I like to cut and paste out of it. I don't get them all the time. I'll splurge for a year and then wait a couple years and splurge for a year. And lots of things to cut apart for collaging. And there are a lot of artistic things on the website, Daphne with an E, Daphne's Diary. And it's from the UK, so you may need to expect shipping costs if you're not from the UK yourself. Okay. I love it for collage work. I love poring over. She goes someplace, or she'll have vacation pictures in it. She will have 2 or 3 craft things for you to do. She'll have stickers. She'll have little freebies. She'll have, it's kind of like a quaint Martha Stewart type thing. A very quaint Martha Stewart. English countryside feel. Instead of an upper crust ritziness. Okay, let's see. Oop. Okay, let's see Arteza. Number 3. Number 3. Ooh, all the way down there. I'm just pushing 2 in here further. Number 3. All right. The door open. You see the big door? Oh, it's a big door too. Ooh. Ooh. An embroidery hoop and counted cross stitch fabric. That's interesting. Do you do counted cross stitch? I do. I love it. Up on my Etsy shop, I have some counted cross stitch and some stamped cross stitch kits available for sale. I will provide a link to my Etsy shop down in the description box below. There are also diamond painting kits, some budget and some premium kits that I am destashing. I do not gouge prices. There's some even there from Black Friday from Diamond Art Club. That one of which is completely out of stock now, so you may want to check that out on the Etsy shop. This is Diamond Painting Creations, box number trace. Where is box number trace? 3. A little bitty 3 over here. Let me see. I know I'm goofy, but deal with it. Little bitty basket. Oh, nice. Very nice. I've got some Christmas washi tape, and it has like Christmas bells on it. Isn't that pretty? Definitely can use that. What do you use washi tape for in diamond painting? Well, sometimes the glue of the painting goes over the edge from the picture. What am I doing with this one here? And it collects, you know, dust and dander and like hair, that kind of thing. So I put this right along the edges, all four edges, to frame the painting and cover up that extra sticky glue to keep it clean. It also gives you a nice straight edge to bump your first rows of diamonds up against, and it helps you divide up the cover into different places so that you don't need to do just a section of your painting at a time. Okay, this is from Add More Zest, day number 3, and I found that yesterday, so that's why it's on top. Are you baking your Christmas cookies yet? We've been making them since October. If you're joining us on our lives on Tuesday night, you will see that. Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube Live and through our Facebook site. Ooh, oh, I know which one. This is one of those pens. I use this type occasionally. What it is, it's got a hard wax on the one end. That's cool. It's black. This is perfect for gems and specials, ABs, that does not pull off the coating. And this is the end that you dip in the wax. It's very, very tiny. I don't know if you can see. Very, very tiny, but it's effective. I do like those diamond painting pens. Very nice. Very nice. I don't need the tube though. Okay. And Diamond Painting Deutschland. 3. Number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ooh, beautiful. These are the feathers. Feather bookmarks. Let me see. Pretty, pretty. I like these kits. Okay, 1, 2, 3 feathers. Aren't they beautiful? Look at the colors in them. They're going to be specials. They come with a black piece of thread that attaches onto the bottom of the feather, and then there's a crystal that hangs off of that you attach. Can you see the crystal there? It's a little hard to see. A little hard to see with the lace underneath. But these are all the gems, the different shapes of gems that come with it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Lots of fun in between to make these goodies. Lots of projects to make. Okay, so today's goodies from the Advent calendar give us more to do. Give us more to do and keep us busy in these days, just like making Christmas cookies might do. What's your favorite Christmas cookie? Put that in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our Tea and Talk Tuesday nights. Bye, Divas.